Welcome back to my garage. So I'm back from the test and tune day, and everything was mostly fine. The engine survived all day. I did it around 25 laps, and the reason I had to stop was because I was out of fuel. It's pretty thirsty. A couple of minor problems. It's detonating. Not on the first lap, but usually starts detonating on the second lap, and then it gets pretty bad on the third lap. I think my stinger is too small. I have a 28mm stinger now, so I'm going to try a 30mm, and hopefully that will solve that. I tried adjusting the timing, but that didn't help a whole lot. Other than that, no real problems. My spark plug caps broke, both of them. First the left one and then the right one. There's a little clip inside there that came loose, and then the cap was just loose on the plug. I'm using this type of cap, but I removed this rubber thingy. I think if I just leave them on, then it will vibrate a lot less, and everything should be fine. But next time I'm going to bring some spare caps with me, just in case. Other than the small engine issues, there were some chassis issues, which wasn't really unexpected, but still need to solve that, because I lost a lot of time because of that. First of all, I have too little ski pressure in the curves. If you go on the throttle, it just wants to go straight ahead. You have to let go in order to be able to steer again. So that's not ideal, because you want to get back on the throttle after like half the curve or something. But it's impossible. You really have to line it up for the straights before you can get back on the throttle. So probably losing around 2 seconds of full throttle there. And then the other issue was that my chain case, it developed a hole. It probably has been there forever, but there's a hole in there, and it had been spitting chain case oil on my secondary. It soaked my brake pad in oil, so it had pretty much no brake. So you had to let go of the throttle after like half the straights in order to slow down enough before the curves. So that's also something that needs to be fixed. I'm just going to put some JB Weld on there or something. So the season isn't really over yet, luckily. We still have a lot of snow and a lot of ice, so hopefully there will be 1 or 2 more testing days. I'm planning for a new chassis for next winter, because I know this is not an ideal chassis for oval racing. So I'm going to concentrate on the engine, but still try to get the chassis sorted out as well, just so I can get some proper laps in. So yeah, unfortunately I didn't get a lot of footage because weather and other stuff. I do have some GoPro footage, but it was from the first 2 runs and it was still running like crap, so I'm not going to upload that. So what I do have is my friend Marcus. He took a test ride, and he's a much better driver than I am. The quality is a bit shit, because I had my camera set on indoor settings, so everything is really bright and blown out, but should be able to see what's going on anyway. I was in a hurry and it was all a bit spontaneous, so I wasn't really prepared for filming. So I'm gonna end the video with this test ride. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye.